Hi, my name is Marco De Renardis. I am the R&D manager at Freeman Herbs. I would like to talk to you about our living lettuces. We have three different kinds of living lettuces: a green oak, a red oak, a Lollo Rosso, and then we have a trio of mixes, which is a different. It could be a butter lettuce or other oak leaf lettuces. Why I would like to talk to you about our living lettuces is that our living lettuces are not your common lettuce that you will buy in a supermarket, which has been already cut off its roots, and because as soon as you harvest your lettuce, your vitamin start to decline. About 20 minutes after you harvest the lettuce, vitamin C deplete by 70%. So by having a living lettuce, you will have all the nutrients preserved in your lettuce. So I would like to show you how you would use these lettuces, which is the biggest part of it. So with the scissors, you start to harvest your lettuces from the leaves outside. So so you can put them inside your plate, and you can see that with just a few snips, you get a nice side salad, and you can see as well how much left of your potting. So you can have at least, I would say, a couple of main or maybe 6 or 7 side dishes with it. And the good part is that what is left, it still has all the nutrients and it's still growing. So if you water it and keep it healthy, it can last you 2 to 3 weeks, and therefore you would use all of it. While market research has shown that when you buy a cut lettuce, most of the times, if you use 50% of it, it's already good, because most of the times after you go to have a second cut or a second serving, it's already gone. The other way that you would use the lettuces is that, let's say, if you have a small sandwich. So you have a sandwich, and if you buy a bag of salad to put a few leaves in a sandwich, then the lettuce will likely be gone by the time you go to make your next sandwich the day after. So instead here, you just cut the leaves, and they are so fresh. You can see they're still all crunchy because I just cut them off the plant, and now you have your nice sandwich with your healthy green inside.